Bjorn?
Yo.
Hey Bjorn,
So,
which game is this na?
game 1, Patron versus Patron.
Wow, Patron Mirror.
Last time nangyari to, unahan sila maglabas ng Patron.
Yeah, well that's the Patron way, and looks like Icy's on the lead for now because he had the patrons first.
Oo nga eh. Not sure kung...
Yeah.
I mean, what's the counter? How do you deal with patrons when you're running patrons too? Pump out more
Um.
patrons than him?
Yeah.
Mag-i-Icor ka ba? Icor Whirlwind ba to?
Icar Whirlwind.
Kasi mamamatay yung isa mong
Yeah.
patron. Tapos,
Uh.
dalawa yung...
You get to generate more patrons. It's his call to use his removal, his axe, his execute, everything. Th-
Uh, oh my god, the cancer is so
That's
real.
Well, the tavern is now full.
well before when you heard that sound, you know someone was winning.
Kasi may war song.
When it started
Oh,
with the blade be thirsty and charge forward.
Everyone, get in her.
so,
Okay.
bakit inuna niya yung slime? Kasi, I think dapat inuna niya yung isa sa mga healthy na, ano, na,
Yeah,
Ay,
you
na
should execute
patrons.
the patron that has higher health.
kesa yung
Hmm.
5-1. Hindi ba ginawa niya yun para mapatay, para hindi ma-clear yung 2-6 taunt niya?
Direct.
Ah, uh,
An interesting case. But an axe would be. Yeah, you can clear the patrons of IC this turn. I. Yeah. hmm He can Icar first, the healthy patron,
Tapos ping niya yung
he
isa.
wants. Yeah, and then ping with Fire Blast the other one. That should clear him. Yep. Thing
ano
is,
yung
next
isang card
turn,
niya yung ano, lipstick. Acolyte of Pain and
IC can remove Beefsteak's patron as well.
Yeah, but what do you do after that? Bababa mo ba yung frothy?
Yeah. I
mm,
don't think so. You're better off. No. See. This is fine, I guess.
First round of patrons pa lang yun from both sides.
yeah.
Yeah.
Pero naubos na sila actually ng activators. And,
Actually.
Yeah.
well, for beefsteak meron.
Oh, but Beefsteak has the Grom, so may emergency pa siya eh. Beefsteak also has the Fire Blast to counter it. Hmm.
Ang ganda ng Fire Blast to draw. Nakakainis.
Yeah.
Sobrang
Sir
seamless eh.
Finley.
Oh.
I miss patrons. It's their last season, you must use them.
Patron Icor ba to?
Last season na eh. Sulitin na. All iterations. Ooh, okay.
Ping muna.
This would be you can ping the
Acolyte mo.
you can
Acolyte
ping the
mo.
blood hoof to kill the acolyte so that if you Corkron, you can't execute it.
Pwede.
Yeah, because you don't want to hit with the lower attack. You don't want him to draw cards.
Mm. Na if he's gonna draw only once.
Yeah. Or he can draw himself and just Grom.
Ignore. Ignore niya feeling ko.
Ooh, Battle Rage, pretty good.
Oh my.
Frothing. You go frothing here.
Oh my
Frothing
god.
Whirlwind.
Thing is, you
Yeah.
just go face.
Yep.
Yep. Tapos
Mm,
whirlwind to draw and pump the berserker.
yeah.
Oh, hindi siya nag-whirlwind. Ayaw niyang pa-draw.
Yeah, because if ever he draws execute, he has to prioritize it. The blood hoof is
Battle
pretty
rage.
impactful right now.
Oh shit, nice.
Rage.
Fiery wind axe.
Mm, when axe is good. Draw more cards. Execute.
Not execute.
Mm,
I really want to do that. I-inner rage, hahampasin niya ba?
but the frothing. What do you
Well,
do
ang
with the
nangyari kasi
frothing?
oo. Isang problema kasi, syempre, ginagamit ko na lahat ng
Laki
Tsaka yung
din ng
activators.
armor
frothing.
eh. Lugi ka na sa armor din.
Mm-mm.
Even if you don't mind the frothing, the armor is just
Battle rage.
so much.
Ay, inner rage niya ba? Nope. There's the concede.
No, he concedes.
Yeah,
Okay.
So
kasi
1-0 beef stick.
Beefsteak takes. Yeah. So even though Icy got the lead with the patrons, Beefsteak was able to remove them
Yeah.
and then make his own.
Yun nga eh.
Guess that was the clincher.
Na, he had lots of removal and the removal
Yeah.
coincidentally made his own patrons regenerate themselves.
Yeah. Okay, so this is
Freeze
Freeze Mage and Zoo.
Zulok.
Yeah.
Gabrat.
I'd actually give this to
Freeze.
um
easily
Freeze Mage. Freeze Mage.
Yeah.
The way Icy's hand looking and the way your Beefsteak's hand is looking very bad.
Yeah. I think the thing here is Freeze Mage has a lot of ways to deal with the Zulok swarm. He has Frost Nova, Doomsayer,
Yeah.
Blizzard, Flame Strike.
and
Yeah.
Zulok needs to do is burst him down before he gets those pieces into play.
Yeah, but the problem there is that Zulak's power relies on its wall of minions. If you stop those minions from attacking, it's just no good.
Yeah, I guess. Tap or wild
Excuse
flame?
me. Tentacles. Get that sea giant out
yeah,
while he doesn't have removal. He needs to get that sea giant off ASAP.
Next is
But
Tentacle
that
King.
Frost Nova, Blizzard, and Flame Strike is looking pretty good.
it's looking green for the Zula.
Tentacle time.
Kulang na lang din.
Now the problem with this play is that
Board is
Tentacles
full.
fills your board,
Yeah,
and
board is full. And
you can't put the giant.
oh well, he can trade into it,
Well, he can now.
and he's gonna
Yeah.
ping it. So okay.
Oh,
No, I think pinging is a bad idea because you're giving him more space. You should allow him to make space for himself. But Sea Giant is out.
I would
The
tap.
problem is it's a lot of freezing AoE.
Yeah. Everything goes face. Really? He's gonna clear the loot order.
close space pero after this,
Hmm.
there's
Why is
no
he leaving
way
him
for
draw?
the Zoo to hit the Freeze Mage.
Or he's making space.
Oh, he's making.
Yeah. The problem is this giant
So do you, okay. So
won't
you cross
have an opportunity to attack. Mm.
I would think the Argent Square.
Yeah, the square.
Knife Juggler Argent.
I think yeah. But you know what's interesting is this knife juggler. It actually negates the ice barrier. So if you put it on a full board, that's six knives to the face.
May nangyayari ba?
This is gonna be a blizzard turn. I think it should be a
Yeah,
blizzard turn.
Yeah.
definitely.
It would have been
No,
better
wait
if
lang.
you pinged the Argent instead, so it it gets cleared.
Yeah, and
No.
I don't
No.
think it also does it get frozen? I
Yeah,
don't think so.
No.
it gets
Does
frozen if
take
it
damage
has
as well.
divine shield, but it doesn't take damage.
Ah, okay.
Huh? So he goes for the soft part.
Ah, okay. It's in the wording kasi. Deal 2 damage and freeze them. Okay.
Mhm.
It's not like water elemental.
He's
Ah,
looking for another PO.
Okay.
Soul Fire.
Yep.
First out
Does
to.
Beefsteak run a charger? Because he really needs a charger.
I think he runs a Leroy.
Oh
Oh
my
Oh,
god, the
man, that was
lethal.
a
that
risky
was a
turn.
mistake.
The lethal.
He should
He,
have
he
Blizzard.
he shouldn't have gone greedy on that turn. He should have Blizzard.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Eventually,
if you have all the AoEs there, you should have gone Blizzard. Wow.
well,
Third
actually,
game na.
Beefsteak too.
kasi once pa lang nag-gamit ng hero power yung Dulac. So I think he was thinking
Yeah.
na wala pang PO or so far yung hand niya. Yung kalaban. I mean, Lipstick.
It has a lot of cards.
So 2-0 beefsteak. Mid range shaman. Is this mid range or aggro? I don't remember.
2-0 or
I think it's aggro.
Probably aggro, right?
You have the Finley.
Okay.
Yep,
Yeah, there we
aggro.
go.
This is a really good hand from Beefsteak though.
So aggro.
Oh wait, they both have good hands.
Oh god, the
Nice.
fire blast.
Fire blast.
Finley. Time for adventure.
so do you rock biter? Oh,
What would you
big
get?
shift.
Shapeshift.
Yes.
Oh, he
Tama ko na
passes.
dun hammer.
Interesting. I'm guessing he wants to Feral Spirit next turn.
Do you draw or do you coin out the spirits?
No, Juggler.
Um,
Juggler is safe. You want to waste
Juggler.
the other durability.
Okay.
Then
Just
you Feral Spirit
using-
and Tunnel Trug.
Just using the Feral Spirit will actually triple your next turn.
Mm.
Yeah.
The only thing will be Trog or
The problem though is
Rock
this
Biter.
frothing Berserker.
You can hero power rock bite and hurt yourself.
Oh yeah. Now you can put the Trog down, I guess. Trog, Hero Power Rock Biter, but you have to use coin.
Yeah.
I don't think you want to waste Feral Spirit
Yeah.
right now.
If you put down feral spirit, the frothing berserker gets bigger and it hurts more when you clear it with your face.
Yeah.
Unless he has lightning
gonna
bolt
hurt a
and
lot.
cross into it or hex or something. I don't think aggro
Yeah.
run. Does aggro run hex?
Nope. No, it doesn't. The only adjustments aggro does is the 3-2 guy that unlocks your crystals.
Mm.
One thing from below and some Tuskar totems, I think.
Oh, so he went for the Feral Spirit.
Okay, so he coins out the feral spirit and Trog goes 3-3.
Mm. Well, he can ensure. Oh, he goes for the
Damn.
Trog. Okay.
Ping.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
and it's a big berserker. Here we go.
Yeah. But he should have attacked. Because
That
the Flame
attack
Tongue
siya.
totem.
Flame tongue.
Yeah, but he doesn't know that.
Yeah. Mm. I have an axe.
I We have an ass to grind.
That's not good. Not good. So bad.
Rock biter sa 4-3 to clear the 2-6, or is that a waste?
Di naman. Hustle yan eh.
Yeah,
Mm.
but the
You
thing,
can rock biter it because you have a totem golem.
Hindi
And
mo pwede ping yan eh. Dapat one big fight yan.
so rock biter to 4-3. Do you drop the totem or the feral spirit? It's overload anyway.
probably feral.
Hmm.
I would totem.
Mm.
Totem
Yeah,
hero power.
Totem
I
golem
think
plus
it's
hero power.
gonna
Yeah.
need a whirlwind here.
Holy shit.
There's your
Oh,
whirlwind.
man.
Nice.
Where's the whirlwind?
Because those armor smiths look really, really
Kadiri.
juicy right now.
Medyo kadiri
Armor
po.
smith ghoul.
Mm. Kasi what you decide for on IC's perspective is,
Actually,
do I use it to clear now or do I wait for 8?
ang ganda rin actually yung play na, ano, hero power din sa 4-1 na work. And then, 4-1 din sa 2-3 na work.
Yeah. That's better. Mas efficient yun eh.
Yeah.
Yep.
Dun sa 2-3 para may matira. Yan, tama.
Buhay pa rin si Finley.
Oh my god.
This is good.
That's a
Value
good turn.
Finley.
That's a really good turn.
But do you draw first?
I would draw first.
Draw.
Yeah. I think you draw first.
Yep.
Yeah.
He agrees too.
Yeah.
That was a mistake. Do you
But
draw or do you golem?
golem, you want a stronger board. Yeah.
Tang ina, buhay pa rin si Finley. God.
Ignore the fucking Murloc.
I
So,
don't
do you,
care.
actually, this turn, pwede na siya mag-patron. Pero,
Mm.
next turn ay mas maraming patron.
Patron
Really
ping
needs
or
a-
do you patron or
I
do you
think
wait for
Hindi.
Or turn.
I think you have to armor smith this turn. Dalawang armor smith and
drop
ravaging ghoul. Because if you wait next turn, you're probably dead.
Hmm.
I mean, it doesn't generate a lot of tempo, pero
the ghoul? You get
or one
armor.
armor smith, ghoul, and then you ping the sentinel. That could give you.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
Whoa.
I don't think so.
Ano nangyayari?
Why?
He's gonna ping it tapos drop
Oh,
tapos armor smith drop.
Okay. Okay.
It prevents 4 damage.
I mean-
na naman.
Yeah. Prevents more damage, I guess.
And lots
Okay,
of
okay.
armor.
Yeah. Pretty good.
How much?
He really needs a big whirlwind. Such damage. Flame Wreath.
Oh my god.
This is the best turn for you to drop Flame Wreath. Because the board is clear. Face. Okay, he trades.
So wala nang ang activator na lang is the ping, right? Oh, there we go. There's another activator. Fuck that. Should have gone face, I think, for the 3-3.
Yeah. Yep. He should have.
Get in her.
Oh, damn,
Holy
oh.
shit. You have
should
to
have
go
gone
face. Yeah.
Yun nga.
Pero
You can
you go
actually-
face now.
Yep. Go face. Next turn will be,
I think you argent
You
so you
argent.
can hide.
Argent.
Yep.
Everything goes
And
face.
go face.
Yeah, you have to go face. Because he generates.
Oh.
Oh, shit. That's
God.
a good hand. That's a...
Ah, the
Yeah,
armor
that's
smith.
flirty.
Oh my god. How
Ah,
much armor is that? 4?
that's gonna be
That's
One,
four
two,
armor.
three, four, 4 armor,
He actually thinks the other
4,
creature.
5, 6.
Ah.
He'll probably
That's
generate
5
6
armor.
to 7 armor.
Oh my
The
God.
turning
Sobrang
point.
cancer. Cancer po.
He should have gone face.
That was, yeah, that was a big draw from IC. Really big draw.
Okay.
You have to clear it.
Oh my
Mhm.
god, the armor keeps going up.
Oh
He's
my
gonna
God.
need a doom hammer.
Can he?
Rockbiter.
He can't
I think
Doom
yes.
Hammer Lava Burst.
Oh
Yeah.
no, gee, that seals the game.
Yeah.
That
That's game. He doesn't have
that
a
seals the
clear.
game. It's a good match.
Holy shit.
Yeah. He's gonna
Ah,
keep.
sobrang
He's gonna
cancer.
hold on to the
Yeah.
whirlwind.
Yung drone na
think-
yun eh.
Wala.
I think even if you had that, I think it was
GG.
better for him to whirlwind. Kasi
Armor.
it could be that yung hand ni Beefsteak Doom Hammer
Rockbiter.
dalawang Rockbiter and he could have died.
2-1 ba?
Yeah.
2-1.
Yeah, ginamit
Yeah.
yung unang Rockbiter.
Pala. Okay.
So 2-1.
2-1.
Scout si Toy ah. Nakikita lahat eh.
Tama eh. This is gonna be hard. Or the freeze mage.
So freeze mage against aggro. I would give the aggro the advantage
Yeah.
here.
Yep.
With this hand, I give it to
Oh,
aggro.
Oh my god. Do you see turn 2?
That's
Juggler.
turn 2. It's a
Juggler.
better turn 2.
Yeah.
It's getting hot in here.
On curve place.
Doomsayer.
So Doomsayer.
Oh, but he's ready
Pero-
for that lava burst.
I have he's ready.
Yeah, may lava burst.
Definitely.
Do you expect the lava burst, though, or do you drop the novice engineer for draw?
I think
I
in Doomsayer here,
I'd
you,
rather
you,
play,
Nope, he
Kasi-
prioritizes draw.
okay. Interesting.
Argent.
Oh,
Do you horse ride?
Argent.
Para sa akin kasi walang better turn to drop the Doomsayer. Ay, sa bagay, if he waits for the
I would Argent go
Uh,
face, then Juggler
Nova.
clears the 1-1. 1-3 goes to his face.
yeah. This is fine.
Oh yeah.
You just go face
maximum
here.
damage. I guess.
Yeah, you don't
Don't
hesitate.
have time for minions.
Yeah.
And
He
He has
Yes,
no
go
time
face,
for
yeah.
games. Yep. Wow, that's a good sentinel turn, but probably later.
Torch na
Hindi
yan.
siya pwede mag-Doomsayer.
Oh,
Yeah. The safest play
Torch
here
to
is
tag
Torch.
na yan. Hindi kayang hindi. Lalaki yan eh.
And he wastes a turn.
Whoa, that's a good draw.
Flame Tongue, eat 4 damage.
Yep.
Okay, that's pretty good too.
Sentinel, Flame Tongue. You gotta squeeze all that damage.
Today in hurt.
Yeah.
Shit, wala
Does he
siya
have
na.
lethal? Not yet.
No,
Nine,
no,
Wala
that's
siya
nine,
na-
that's
AoE
12,
after
that's
yun.
7. He has lethal next turn. It's game.
OMG.
It's game.
Holy shit.
It's game.
9 plus 5,
Ah,
14.
Iceland.
oh my god.
Iceland,
Oh,
Iceland.
He
GG.
needs to Iceland.
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 He needs
Iceland.
to I think
Come on, IC, don't be greedy.
Iceland.
Let's go.
Oh, no.
Well played.
Oh no.
The damage is real. My god.
Sobrang bayag, grabe.
Oh my god. The pain
I'm
train.
dirty.
This is
Shoot.
Rockbiter.
why we
Ay, sayang.
are, bro.
That's 3-1.
Yep, 3-1.
Yeah, 3-1.
Yeah.
GG.
Toy, lalaban ka na.
Bukas pa daw eh.
Baka
Ayaw nyo ngayon?
try ko tanong ko si Beefsteak. Cut ko lang yung recording, Berby.
Nandito ako.
Para fine.